We're just gonna go where.
Alright, you're going.
What?
Brad, scoot over to the right. There, you're good.
Oh god. Uh-oh. Red, did it say?
Oh shit.
I'm gonna get my truck so quick.
Oh god.
Those are rubber.
Wait, he's gonna go across the whole truck. Oh wait, we got brushes. Wait, no, that's just the reflection. No, guys, it's so.
Oh shit. Oh god,
Oh my god, it's so slippery.
Oh shit. I might have to stop when the water comes, just so you know, to not get my phone wet.
Oh shit, here comes the brush.
Oh god.
Close the window, see if you see it.
Oh.
There, yeah.
Sure.
You need to quit fucking moving.
It's gonna use an ad knock off.
Oh my god. Oh oh my god. Oh shit.
Soap application, wheel cleaning, color polish, spot free rinse, surface protectant, and air drying. Here comes the spot free. That's disgusting.
Oh my god.
Holy shit, I'm gonna fight for the lifting up on
Is that it?
it. I think so. We didn't even pay for the air dry. Dude, we
Is
didn't
it all done?
What do you guys have to say?
Oh, what?